Hi there. This is going to be a very short video. I want to discuss with you 3 banking products beyond credit cards, debit cards, which I'm pretty sure most of the people watching this video might be having either of these, debit card or credit card. But bank offerings go beyond that. There are some offerings out there which are actually beneficial to your financials and also assist you enhance efficiency in your life. They are the ones I want to talk about. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily TV. My name is Afaga Sifuna. By the way, if you are new here, consider joining the family by subscribing. Down there is a button called subscribe. Click on it to join the family. Thank you. Having said that, the first banking product which you need to know is the different kind of accounts out there. It's quite interesting how a good number of people out there might walk into a banking hall just asking to get open for an account. But you need to know that, guys, we have different types of banking accounts out there. And of course, different banking accounts out there have varying interests. Specifically, I'd want to think, for example, you need these 3 banking accounts. The first one, current or salary account. In essence, a salary account is just like a current account, but it has some additional financial benefits to it. Like, for example, in case you want a loan, you can easily get a loan through your salary account in case your employer banks with your bank, or even so, they have a pre-agreement. Okay? Secondly, you might need to have a fixed deposit account, more so for the money which you don't intend to use immediately. Maybe you are banking, you're going to need to use this money maybe in 1 year's time and so forth. It is good to have a particular money in a fixed saving account so that you can be able to enjoy interest on deposit. In essence, the bank paying you for you lending money for them to use for whichever activity out there for a given fixed duration of time. It could be 6 months, 1 year, you name it. And then thirdly, in case you have children, also consider opening junior accounts. In essence, bank accounts for children which also have some restrictions. They're going to be able to access this money at a predetermined interval of time. This is beneficial also to assist you teach your children around saving and also how to go about banking. And then the second banking product, which I think is also very beneficial, is you utilizing FX services. In essence, foreign exchange services. Maybe you are getting money in foreign currencies. Maybe it is the US dollar, maybe it is the euro, maybe it is the sterling pound, you name it. It is good for you to utilize FX services in an appropriate way. To give you an example, in most countries out here, in case you go to change money over the counter, chances are you're gonna get a less beneficial deal to you, as opposed to, for example, you exchanging money through an application or even so internet banking or a particular bank. And I'm saying so because if you go to the counter, you're gonna be treated as if you are a random customer because you just walked in there to exchange hard cash in your hand. But in case you want to exchange using the application or even so internet banking, you can request for a preferential interest rate. And by the way, if you didn't know, when you're asking for a preferential foreign exchange rate, you can even quote what the competitors out there are offering. And by that, your bank could be able to give you the exact or even just close to what the competitors out there are offering, because they don't want to get also to lose the commission which you're going to be bringing them by you exchanging through the application or even the internet banking services. And then the third and last product I want to talk about is you also considering utilizing standing order services. What do I mean? Guys, standing orders are a way of you executing checkoff from your bank account without you really having to actively trigger anything. In other words, you have predetermined when you want money to check off your account. Of course, also for these, banks charge a small percentage, but be sure these standing orders can really assist you. More so if you have many debt obligations out there, many recurring obligations out there. for which you need to pay, for example, at a given interval, maybe every 2 weeks, maybe every month. If you can have standing orders, they're going to assist you focus your energies elsewhere in more productive activities and also help you avoid incurring late charges or even so interest for late payments. Guys, those are the 3 banking products or services which I wanted to discuss with you today. What do you think about these particular products? I hope you look forward to also utilizing them for you to be able to enhance your financial efficiencies. Cheers, and you all stay tuned for more content.